Story 25. One of the Arab kings ordered his officials to double the allowance of a certain attendant because he was always at the palace, expecting orders, while the other servants were engaged in amusements and sports, neglecting their duties. A pious man who heard this remarked that high degrees at the court of heaven are similarly bestowed upon servants. If a man comes 2 mornings to serve the Shah, he will on the 3rd certainly look benevolently on him. Sincere worshippers entertain the hope that they will not be disappointed at the threshold of God. Superiority consists in attending to commands. The neglect of commands leads to exclusion. Who possesses the criterion of righteousness places the head upon the threshold. Now, I think this is as good a time as any to remind that in the Islamic vision, you could say that a constitutional democracy is what they have as a system of government. I live under a constitutional republic, but the thing is that it's not, the rulership isn't about getting power and wealth off of the people, not some popular vote or some the republic system is sort of tribal. Well, it fits in well with capitalist system. It does, but it also makes sense to have a little bit of difference, even among government employees. You know what their payments are as you move up the ranks.